So you all are on the WhatsApp group, right? Let me first show you, then I will. Just give me a minute, please. Yeah. So let me, ma'am, we have to do two projects in this internship. No, no, no. Like Ashwin, better to ask these questions after 2:30. Okay. So these projects are basically related with the Power BI. They are not related with the internship or nothing. Whatever we are covering right now, this is all for your learning part. It's a part of your learning after, because it's the last session of the Power BI, right? So you should know how like how you can work on end-to-end projects. I hope it's clear. Ashwin, I hope it's clear, right? Yeah. So let's go to the blank report and let me input. So I have a Netflix data file with me. This data set file I also choose from the Kaggle. You can go on the Kaggle and you can choose these kinds of sample projects for your for your practice for the future. But right now I am sharing this file with you on WhatsApp. Just give me a minute. You have to just directly load it here. Let me share the same file with you, okay? In on Zoom as well and on the WhatsApp group as well. I'm sharing with you on both. Just checked on Zoom. I already shared. Now let me share on WhatsApp as well. Just checked on WhatsApp as well. I shared. It is sharing. Let me share it again. Manas, it's already shared with you on Zoom. Let me share it again. Now you can please check on WhatsApp. It is sharing. Give it a minute. It is uploading.
Nice, Sajal.
Yes, I'm sharing. I'm sharing.
No, no. In Zoom, you are sharing to host and panelist instead of everyone. That's why students are saying
Okay,
they can't see.
okay. Sorry, my fault, students. I'm just resharing it. You can check it now. It's already there. And hopefully on WhatsApp it's still uploading, but on Zoom it's almost there. Yeah, on Zoom now you can check it's already there. I hope you all received on Zoom, and in WhatsApp it's sharing. I'm sharing this one more time on Zoom. It's there. I hope now it's visible to you all, right? It is there. It takes time on WhatsApp, but it will be shared with you. Let me check if I can share from other way. No, Suryaveer, it's already shared on Zoom. Can share with you one more time. On Zoom, it's already there. Just check it properly. I hope how many you have done with the file? I can't see the share. Done. Okay, okay. Not received, ma'am. Okay. It's now there. Please check it now. Now it's there. I hope now it's visible to you all. Now it's there. You can easily access it. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Please check it, download it, and import the file. Can we revise transform data quickly, like a summary of all we can do there? See, transformation, I will show you in a quick, like you are talking about the query part, right? Query editor. We'll cover. I'll just give you an overview. Okay. Hope you all received the data file, students. Just let me know once you're done with the. Okay. Everyone, you all of you done? Perfect, perfect. So see, what's the first step is just understand the data set. What kind of data we have. What we do before loading the data into Power BI. Just check. See, the first data is you need to track that the data should be cleaned. You don't have the null values, the repetitive values, or the heading in trailers. Make sure your data should be cleaned. My this data file is already clean, that's why we directly imported. So whenever that data handling part we already covered, so that part we are not covering inside the Power BI, like how to clean the data and all this, because we have already done this part in the data handlings and the EDA. This is the Power BI session. So here the next step is to import the file after cleaning. So that's why we just imported the file directly. Now the third step is understand. See, before doing any visualization to create any insights, you should know what kind of data you have. You have to be familiar with that data. Otherwise, how you can fetch, what are the insights, how should you know? Okay, so now just go to the table view to understand the data set. So we have here this data set, I think we already used in the slicer parts, but let it be. So we have the IDs, we have their titles, we have the like this is the name of the that particular TV show, this is the name of that particular movie. This is the like we have two types, TV show or the movie. Then we have their genre, like they are scientific, they are thriller, they have action, they have drama, in which year they were released, that the year, their duration in minutes, like then their rating, then which from which country they are, then their language, their director, who cast these TV shows or the movies, how many views they have, what is the user rating, and date added to the platform. So this is the data set we have. Now what we can fetch from this data set, we can create the slices, we can evaluate, like okay, if we have two types of the shows, the TV show or the movie, then how much views we have, total sum of views for the TV show and total sum of the views for the movie. Similarly, how we can do this for the minute and duration, like for this title, what is the duration, we can create a simple bar chart for this. Then we can check the duration and the views by the line chart along with release year. Similarly, we can create the map as well, like from which country, which TV show or movie we have. Then we can check the user rating by the language wise, right? So you need to familiar first what kind of data set we have. Is it clear or any doubt? Just let me know, please, into the chat. Sorry. I hope it's clear. Perfect. Very good. Okay. Now, if anything, a sort of transformation you need to do, and anything if you want, then the best way is you can directly go from there to Power Query Editor. Like we already covered these concepts in the, I think in the previous one we have done, right, where we converted our columns in first row into the headers. So we can just go from directly from there to the edit query, and like to remove the columns, to remove the rows, to keep the rows, to remove the columns, to split them by the delimiter wise, converted your first row into the headers, to replace the values. We have all these functionalities there, which is already covered. Fine. So this is the Power Query Editor where we are doing the basic transformation. But if I'm talking about to replace the null values completely, then better to use the Python, because in Power BI, you can, like suppose if you want to replace the 5 with the 15 in your Power BI handling, so it will change everywhere, not only a particular cell, it will change wherever the 5 from in your data set, it will convert it that 5 into the 15. But if you want to change only that particular cell, then you cannot do right up from the Power BI. So better to use their Python. I hope it's clear, or you have any doubt. Is it clear? Good. So now let me show you something. Just let me remove this first. Yeah, new tab, and here, as this is the Netflix data, okay, so we'll try to follow this theme. Okay, like something we have black and red, so we'll try to keep this theme in our report. So just go to the report view. So see, now a dashboard can be of multiple pages. I'm repeating, a dashboard can be of multiple pages. uh, Yes, Vignesh.
Sorry, by mistake. Yes.
Okay, okay, fine, completely fine. Yeah, so we'll follow the theme. Okay. So now let's what we can do. I have already the Netflix icon in my system, But what you can do, you can just go to the Netflix logo PNG, and you can whatever the image you want, and please do along with me because I need all of your screenshots over the WhatsApp. So just make sure. So you can download any of the icon whichever you want. Suppose I want this in my background, so I can save image as Netflix, only with the name of net. I have already one. Now just go back to the Power BI, and here inside the insert, just go to the insert, click here image, just drop this image part here. So this is the report, and report can be of multiple pages. So we will create the report of multiple pages, and dashboard is basically of a single page where we are putting our visuals on a single sheet. Go to this, go to image and browse image, and here we have net.webp. You can see here fit to fill, and we can stretch this. We do not need this. Let me remove it. Like this. Now drop it here. What we can do, we can turn on the action. How to see, just insert the image, then go to style, and in the style in the image, just upload the image from there. Then image fit, you can stretch, you can see if you want to stretch this, you can stretch like this as well, up to you. And if you want to center this, you can click on the center. You can fit accordingly, and you can fill as well. According to the shape, it will be filled. Now I want to connect this image with the Netflix website, so I can go to the action, and here I can choose the type is web URL. Now I have to paste the URL, so I can go to there, and here I have Netflix website link. Just copy this link and paste this link here, and then in the tooltip what I can do, I can write here Netflix. Okay, and now you can see, if you can click here control plus click, it will automatically open here. Is it clear or any doubt, students? Is it clear or any doubt? Do it. How many you are doing along with me? I'm giving you 2 minutes. Just complete this first and let me know. Everyone do it and let me know. I'm again repeating, do it because you have to share your screenshots. And those who are facing doubt, just let me know. Once to insert the image, you have to just click here image, add image like this. Then go to here in the style, you have the image, just click here browse. This is how it works. Clear? How to open, control plus click. Control plus click, Poojan. Is it clear or any further doubt? Perfect. Only 2 students are done. Okay. So we can proceed it further, or do we need to wait? Chirag, just go to the image. Okay. Just go to the image in the style, select the image and upload the image. That's it. Fine. So many of you are done. Now link, go to the actions, turn on the action. Let me show you. Just go to the action. Choose here type web URL, upload the link here, and in the tooltip write Netflix. After this, I am keeping this blank space right now, okay? This is the first page because I will connect the buttons here. Now coming to the second page where located places. So here we will create the map. So just go to this field map. Hello ma'am, I'm attending an event in GT organized by GT, so I won't be able to do hands-on live. I hope it's okay. I'll do later and send it. Yeah, sure, Priyank. So now you can expand this, and in this map from the Netflix data set, I have the country, but you can see the country data type. It is in the text. So let me select here the location. Why it is not? Let me drop it. Yeah. So you can see when I drop country here, it covers. I can drop country into the legend as well. So that each states have different colors. So now you can see we have Spain. This purple is for the USA, and then we have this is orange is for this orange is for Poland, and we have this pinkish is for UK. This blue is for we have France. Then we have further this is for the Colombia and so on. So let's do the formatting of this. How we can do the formatting? Just go to the formatter visual in the map settings in from the style. In the style, I have different styles. I would like to choose dark, or you can select Arial as well. Arial is also good. You can select light as well. You can select grayscale as well. And you can select road is by default. So let's select the Arial one. Then this is the legend. So legend position is already there. No need to do anything. Just make it bold. And the color, it should be black. Now, moving to the fill colors. If you want to change the color, like for France, I need this. And then for USA as well, I want yellowish. So you can change the color as well. Now coming to the general where we have the country. So we can rename the title. We have the shows by country wise. Make it bold, alignment in the center, in the and add the background color. Background we are choosing from the more colors, red. Now, now let increase the size as well. It's done. Now coming to the effects, and here in the background as well, I'm choosing the red color because ultimately we are following the theme. So I will change something here. In the visual borders, I need the corners rounded, and then shadow is fine. Now what I can do is I can go to the text color. Here I'm choosing the text color black of the text, and here the background should be black so that it will be visible properly. And here it is. In the visual, what I can do instead of country, yeah, here. Instead of country into the legend, I can drop the type. So now you can see this bluish is representing this, so we can change the color here. Instead of blue, for the movie, it should be yellow. And for this, it should be better to red. Fine. So, okay, you are facing sign in problem. It's okay. It's okay, let it be. What about others? I just created a map, students. Create this map. Students, create this map. I'm waiting for your response. See, I know sign-in problem is there, but you can create, like you have to just, without sign-in as well, you can create, right? Full yellow, you have to, Chirag, select the fill color from the formatting. Ma'am, facing problem in putting country column in map. Okay, so why you are facing the problem? Because many of the, where is fill color? Just go to the format part of the map. Go to the format part, and here you have fill colors, right? Many of you facing the problem if you have not created it any. I need to change only USA color, right? It's up to you. Not only USA. It depends which what you are using in the legend. Based upon that, you are changing the color. Okay. So those who are doing first time, for this you need to go to your global and settings and make sure that the map part should be enabled. Okay. Yeah, right, Saurabh, which you shared. Let me. So those whose options are disabled, follow this. Follow these steps which I just shared with you. No, Payal, you do not need to choose any text box. This is the map which you need to select. Just follow the steps. Those visual map visuals are disabled. I just shared with you. Chirag, make sure you pick the correct map, which is the field map. Then you will get it. This is the field map. Okay. Let me know, students, once you're done. Uh, it's okay. Maybe because of the sign-in problem, you are not able to. It's okay. Okay. Sahil, to add map, just add it directly from there, field map. Okay. My cursor is there. Do we need to wait for the others? Those who are still doing, we can wait, otherwise, we can proceed it further. Darshan, this dark blue color basically from there. Fill colors, okay? Manas map is already there. No, there is no below the show by country wise. It is the legend basically, okay? And this is the legend. Ma'am, how to create type TV show and movie in taskbar. See, this is basically I drop it here. I drop in type into the legend. Okay, clear now? I'm waiting till 10:47. Those who are still doing, please do it fast. No, Tanay, then sometimes it's showing glitch that after following the same steps, you will get just reopen it, the Power BI. I'm sharing the steps again. Sometimes you get these glitches. It's completely fine. Just 1 more minute, students, then we'll proceed further. Saurabh, to change the background, just go to the format, in the map settings, in the style, choose it. Okay? Do it fast. Follow these steps, which I just shared. Fine, so I think all of you done. Sorry. I hope you all done. Fine? Okay. Let's move further. And now in the next sheet, we'll create where we have all the slices to filter our report and the visuals. Like we have pie chart over there, donut chart over there, and we'll create one line chart as well. Okay. So let me sorry, go to the new page. And here we'll what we can do, we can first go to the wallpaper and here choose the background color is red. Okay. Now let's go to the insert and add the images. Okay. In this image, let's do the formatting of this image. Just go to the style and here the fill color should be red. Border we do not need, we need the shadow and the shadow color should be black, which are already there. Just go to the general directly and in the effects, turn on the visual border and the shadow part as well. And the visual border, the corner should be rounded. And here it is. And you can even turn off the effects as well. Just keep the shadow part only. Just like this. Now you can see it looks like 3D, right? So we can keep in this context. Now, what's next? Just go to the image and in this image, from the style, I am browsing the Netflix icon, which I have already. You can see here. Now here it is fit. I can convert this fit to fill. Now just need to fix the size. Here it is. I can drop it here. Is it clear or any doubt, students? Do you have any doubt till there? Do you have any doubt till there, whatever we have covered? Everyone? Ma'am, can you please repeat? PC is background and then the previous things. No. Ma'am, please repeat this. I lost connection. See, I just changed the background. I just changed the background from there. I choose the red color. Then I added this shape from there like this. Then I do the formatting of the shape. How? Just go select this. Just go to the style and change the fill color this to this red color. Turn off the border and turn on the shadow. Then just even if you need the glow, you can turn on the glow as well. And in the glow, just make sure the color should be red. Okay. Then you can even instead of red, you can select the black one. Black basically will highlight this like this. Then you can go to the general. Here in the effects, just turn on the shadow part. That's it. Now let me remove this one because this is better. So we can keep this here and just add Netflix here. That we need to do it later because we imported this first. So just drag and drop this here. Now go to the image, and in this image go to the style. Here in the image, just browse the image, which is our Netflix.jpg, and click here open. And here image fit should be fill. And just fix the size. Here we have Netflix branding. We will connect this one as well with the link. Just turn on the action in the action web URL, and we have already the link or the security details one. This just select this link and paste this link here. Again in the tooltip, write Netflix. Clear? I hope it's clear. Okay, sorry, I skipped your WhatsApp messages. I just opened. So the option for the visuals, okay. Very good. You created the maps very properly. Nice. See, after putting the settings, if it is not working, just reopen the Power BI, okay? It's just a glitch, nothing else. So do it again, giving you 2 minutes for this as well. Just do this fast and drop the shape a little bit here. Do it fast, students. Then we will create the slices now next. Wait, students, and let me know. I'm waiting for your response. Pujan, for this, just select the shape, and here in the style, just turn on the shadow. It will just give you a look of the 3D, okay? Just turn on the shadow and the glow, okay? Wait, Vedic will share with you the link, okay? Which visual we have to select for that? No, this is not the visual shift. This is the shape which you need to go to the insert in the ribbon, and from the shapes pick that shape, okay? I see only 2 to 3 students done yet. What about others? Okay, okay. Very good. So I hope it's easy and you are not facing issues. Is it? Anyone who has any kind of doubt? This, yeah, that sign-in problem is actually. You have the college email ID, students? Do you have your college email IDs? Okay. See, if you have your college email IDs, try to sign in with your okay, it's your normal ID. Okay, no, no, I am asking that if the domain is something different, then you can try to log in. It works sometimes. Yeah, sure, Zeel. The wallpaper part is basically just go to select that and go to the format, go to the wallpaper and select it. Very good, Deep. You can, yeah, even you can utilize your friend's email address for that. But that not working. Maybe they don't have the subscription of this. That's why it's not working, Kush. Fine. So, is it done? Perfect. So now let's create the slicer. So we'll create 4 slices. One we will create for date added to platform. One we will create for the director. One we will create for the genre, and the other one we will create for the type. So we will create one slicer, and then how we can do it fast, let's understand that. So we can copy and paste the visuals which you already know. So just go to the slicer, and in this slicer, just drop this hair like this. Now in this, I'm dropping the date added to platform. Just go to there, slicer settings, no, let it be the same, slicer header. Make it bold, increase the size. Then font color, let it be same. In the background, select the color red. Just go to the values, make the values bold, and the font color, let it be the black. Increase the size, and here the background, that should be red. Coming to the slider, and the slider color as well, it should be red. Now go to the general. Here in the effects, the background color should be black. And just turn on the visual border and the shadow part, and the corner should be rounded. Okay, so this one we will drop here. Now just add another visual, same slicer. Okay, just drop it here, adding the genre. Now just go to the formatter visual, the vertical list to drop down. Coming to the slicer header, make it bold, increase the size, and the background color, that should be red. And then coming to the values should be bold and increase the size. And here the background color, this one as well, red. Now coming to the general part, in the effects, the background color should be black, and just turn on the visual borders and the shadow part, and make the corners rounded like this. And just make sure that the header size and it should be same, because it is looking small then. Yeah, now it's fine. So we have this. Now to save our time, just Control C and Control V. We have the second one. We can paste one more. So I told you that we will create 4 slices, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. We can just change the values here. So instead of genre, we need here type, and here in this we need the language. So remove this genre, just keep only language. This is how it works. Is there any doubt? Students, do you have any doubt? No doubt. Just do it fast. After that, we will create the donut chart and pie chart. Do it fast. And let me know once you're done. In this date and time, nothing, just drop date added to platform and do the basic formatting. Like in the slicer header, change the text, and in the background, similarly change the slider color, change the values color, and then go to the general, and in the effects change the color. That's it. Okay. Ashwin, date slicer, to create the date slicer and to create the other slices, there is no difference. Just do it once, and still if you're confused, then let me know, because they both are same. Ma'am, the Netflix logo by default is getting hidden behind the shape. Yes, what's the reason is first create the shape and then add the logo. The step is first create the shape, then add the logo. Otherwise, it will be hidden before the shape. Okay, Darshan? In date slicer, in style, what we have to choose? Just select the slider. By default, just go to the style, Ashwin, and select the slider. Okay. It's okay if you don't have nothing serious. If you don't have Nirmal, just let it be. I am sharing the WhatsApp group link once more time into the chat. So those who are left, they can join. It's okay, Ashwin. You can select if you don't have. It is not your fault, okay? Please, ma'am, repeat. Slicer, just see, just add the slicer. Just add the slicer and add your values and then do the formatting. That's it. Okay, Priyanshu? My logo will go behind the shape. Astha, first create the shape. First do the formatting of the shape and then add the Netflix logo. Okay? Do it and still you are facing problem, just let me know. Do it and still you are stucking, let me know. Okay. Okay. And for those who are not in the group, I already shared the link. Okay. What about others? Few are sharing the screenshots. Okay. Patil, just minimize the size of the Netflix. Okay. Ashwin, it's good. Okay. Very good, Ashwin. Nice. Perfect. Perfect. Very good. You all are doing very good. Okay, Harsh, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Do it fast. Which slicer, Harsh? Which slicer you used? So you can use the simple one, okay? This one, just after the KPI. Okay? Pujan, do the formatting properly. Do the formatting properly. Saurabh, change the background color. How to change the background color? Unselect all the visuals. Just go to the format or report page in the wallpaper, select the color. Okay? Fine, very good. So I see many of you are done. Let's proceed it further. Okay? So what's next is, let's give it a heading with a text box. Let me fix the size first. Drop this here. Like this. Font size should be 32. Netflix report we are creating. Alignment in the center, make it bold, Times New Roman, and we can increase the size 36. Go to the effects. Here the background color, keep it black, and then the font color should be red. Just turn on the visual borders, shadow in the visual borders, make these corners rounded. This is how it looks. Extend the size of this one as well. Not this one. Let's extend the size of the title like this and increase the size of this one as well till 40. Fine. Till there. Perfect. Now let's create the pie chart. Just drop this pie chart here. In this pie chart, what we will fetch, we can drop the views into the values, and we can then we can categorize them by the language. So we can drop the language into the legend. So you can see for English we have 89% of the views are covered by English language. For the French it is 4.82 and for Spanish 5.7. Format a visual, go to the legend, make them bold. Slices, let's change the color. So suppose for the English, the color I'm choosing is red. For not Spanish, I'm keeping same. For French, I'm choosing the color black. Okay. Now coming to the detail labels, these are the detail labels. So it should be in the values, just make them bold. Color we can select red and we can increase their size as well. Then coming to the general part, in the effects, million we can remove, then make it bold, alignment in the center, and the background color that should be red. Okay, we can increase the size till 16. Now coming to the effects, just turn on the shadow part and the visual border, and here we can select the red, but sorry, not in the visual border, in the effects. Let's see it works or not. Just select the red and then increase the transparency. But you can see because we have the background in red as well, so it's not working. So we can select this black and then we can increase the transparency like this. Now it's fine. So why we increase the transparency? So that it not looks completely black and not completely red. And now you can see. Just make the corners as well rounded. In the general part, go to the effect. Inside the visual border, make the corners rounded. Here it is. Let's create the donut chart now. Just create this donut chart now. So here, user rating into the values by language wise. So again we have, instead of language we have already used, so we can use the type. So for this it is 63% is covered by TV show and 36 by movie. Go to there, in the legend position is already right, no need to change. Yeah, we can change the position of here as well. Instead of center right, keep it top right. Top right, not top center, like this. Now coming to the general, sorry, in the visual first, coming to the text, make the text bold and in black color. Sorry, not this one, this black. Coming to the slices for the TV show, the color it should be red, and for movie, the color should be black. Just coming to the detail labels, inside the values, make the values bold, increase the size, make it in red. Just coming to the general part now, in the title, not this. Let's remove this out of 10. Make it bold, increase the size, and text color that should be black. Alignment in the center, background color should be red. Now just go to the effects, and in the effects the background color should be not red. The background color should be black. Just increase the transparency. What's the transparency ratio here? 42%. I think 47 is looking much better. So let it be this one as well. 47. So coming back here, just turn on the visual borders and turn on the shadow part. And in the visual borders, make the corners rounded. Just change the legend part here as well. Go to there, and the position that should be top center. So now you can see. Any doubt? Any doubt? Perfect. Just do it fast. We have half an hour and we need to bind up. Do it fast once. I'm giving you 3 to 4 minutes, okay? How ask the date? Just in this, just drop the date into the field. Okay, that's it. Do it and let me know. Anyone, you can share the screenshots as well on WhatsApp. How to change color of pies. So for this, just go there in the format. In the slices, you have apply settings to color. So first select of which one you want to change the color and then go to color that part. Like for English you want to change. So just change the color from there. Clear, Parth? Very good, Ashwin. Okay, Zeel, very good. See, no, you are not putting anything into the other one. Just select this, Control C and Control V, like this. And then you are changing from there, like field and select like views you want. So you can drop like this. This is how you are doing. Okay, Harsh? Ma'am, in language, I saw only one language, it's English. Because by default, maybe in the slicer, you have already selected something, Poojan. That's the reason. Just check it from your side. Okay. See, I see many of you are not changing the color of the slices. Change the color. Ultimately, at the end, how you can then follow the theme, okay? Can you show how to change the slicer if it's not showing only the English language or only TV show? See, because maybe someone you selected something from the slicer and that's why it is reflecting you only a single language. Make sure you clear everything. Okay? Parth, I hope it's clear. What to select in donut chart? In donut chart, you need to select type in the legend and in the value sum of user rating. Students, do it fast and let me know. Please let me know if you have any doubt. And once you're done, do we need to wait or we can proceed it further, students? So, how to create that report part? Like, I'm not clear with your question, Aman. Okay, I hope all of you done, right? So let's proceed it further. We will create the last is a line chart, okay? So we can choose this is the line chart. Sorry, let me undo. Yeah, just select the line chart. Fix it till there. So now in this line chart on x-axis, we can drop the country and on y-axis, we can drop the user rating and the views. Fine. Now let's do. So you can see for the US, we have this is the views and this is the user rating and so on. Let's do the formatting of this. So first we'll do the formatting of the x-axis, make the value bold and the color it should be black. Even we can increase the size. Then coming to the title, make the title bold. Coming to the y-axis, inside the values, make the values bold and the font color should be black. Then coming to the title, make it bold. So we don't have the secondary y-axis. Yeah, we have. So just make it bold. Let it be. Just coming to the legend directly. And here the position is already fine. Just go to the text. So you can see mark right now is the circle. If you want to change, you can select only the marker which match to the line, and you can select here the line as well, the dashed line. You can see this dashed line, but let it be the circle, which is fine. So style, it should be the marker. Then make them bold. It should be in red color. Then coming to the grid lines, which we do not need. These are the grid lines which we do not need. Zoom slider you need, then you can turn on, like to go to the further into the depth. If you don't need, let it be. Coming to the lines. So in the lines you can see, sorry, for some of user rating, the line width first increase till 10. And if you want to select the line type, you can select the smooth as well. And the color for this, I'm choosing black. Now coming to the other one, views. So here the it should be the smooth, and width I'm increasing till 10. And the color for this, it should be red. And now you can see. Now if you want the shading area, you can turn on the shading area. You want markers, just turn on the markers, and you can increase their size as well. So the data points should be visible. You can see these are the data points. You can change their type. Instead of this, you can select these ones as well. But let it be the same. Sorry. You want data labels, you can turn on the data labels. Make the values bold, and even you can increase the size as well. Then coming to the, that's it. Just coming to the general part, here now the title. So sum of user rating, just remove this out of 10. And then sum of views. Now make it bold, and the background color, it should be red. Alignment in the center. Increase the size, and then go to the effects, and here choose, sorry, not this, choose the black color, and increase the transparency till 47, like this. Now you can see this part is skipped, the title of the y-axis, which we need to do. Just turn on the visual border, turn on the shadow part, and the visual border, make your corners rounded. Now coming back to the visual, because I forget, in my y-axis the title should be bold. The color, it should be black. Yeah, now it's fine. So now you can see here it is. Any doubt in this, students? Students, do you have any doubt? It's clear, right? This is the line chart, Anuj. Just do it fast. Create your own as well. Do it and let me know. Do it and let me know, students. Very good. What about others? What about other students? Now we will only integrate the buttons in this. Hmm. I hope you all done, right? Fine. So let's move further. Now we will integrate the button, okay? Button of the drill through. So let me, this is our report page. Now here I am creating a data table in which director details, their country, who cast them, their duration in minute, their rating, and in which year they released, their type as well, their user rating. So I'm just creating the drill through. You all are familiar already drill through, right? I do not need to explain. Just go to the style presents. In the default, I'm selecting here minimal. All the alternating rows I'm selecting. I do not need this total, so I am turning off the total. Then I'm just going to the cell elements, not the cell elements. Yeah, in the grid, border is already there, alternating rows is there, no need to change this one as well. Vertical grid lines we can turn on, but we do not need the grid line, so let it be. Coming to the values directly, just make the values bold, and even you can increase the size till not 12, on 11. So in the text color black, select the background color red, and where the alternating text color is Y is red, and there the background color should be red, like this. So we have this drill through table. Now you can see the common column which we have used is the language, and we have the country. So language and country. Let me rename the page. This is our drill through. Okay. Now, yes, Neha, we already included the drill through. We are right now drill through. So now in this drill through, I am dropping the language, and even I can drop country as well. You can see country as well. I can drop type as well. So I have three different I have used. So now you can see if I have here language and I want to check for the English, I can easily go for the drill through. So who have only the English language. So this is the data, those who have only the English. Similarly, I can go back. Even I can use the button directly to go back. I want to see for USA specifically. So you can see for the USA point, drill through, just go to the drill through. And this is the data for only the USA. Then again, I can go back. I added the type as well, so I can go for the type as well. Type movies. So, sorry, TV show. So this is the data of only TV show. I added language, country, and the type into the drill through, Chirag. Sneha, I hope it's clear. I hope drill through is clear. You all are already familiar with it, right? So do the drill through side by side. Then here I'm creating a single home button, nothing else, just a home button. In the style, in the image, I'm browsing home button. This home button basically I will connect with the bookmark. So that whatever I'm doing, I'll just come back to my this page, whatever filtering I'm applying. Dropping this home icon here from fit to fill. And then coming to the action, turn on the action. First, I need to create the bookmark. So just go to the view, and here I have the bookmarks. Just click here a bookmark. So this bookmark with the name of home. So just go to the action, choose the type here bookmark, and here select your bookmark with the name of home, and select right type here home. Clear? Here it is. Whatever filter you are applying, just click here and you come back. Is it clear or any doubt, students? Is it clear or any doubt? Now, the last part which we are doing is this home logo icon is basically I imported from there. Home icon. Okay, Krishna? Is it clear? Perfect. I'm giving you a minute. Do it. Karan, it's not drill down, it's drill through. I added language, type, and country. It's okay, girl. Fine. So now in the first page, we will just dropping the blank buttons. And these blank buttons, we will connect them with the navigation. I'm not choosing direct navigation because then it will just give me a single one. It will not look good. So style, turn on the text. So first page I'm selecting here to the located places. Just Increase the size till 36. Font color, select here black, make it bold. Alignment, it's already in center. Vertical alignment's already in center. Icon, no need to add. Fill. Here the fill color, it should be in red. Transparency, 0%. Shadow, like this. Glow, yes, but glow I need in black. Just turn on the action. This is the page navigation button. So I'm choosing here the page navigation and the destination is connected to the located places. Tooltip right here, located places. Okay. Now just Control C and Control V. Control C, Control V. So you can see I have these three buttons. So here in the style, just change from located places to report page. And here connect the button with report page. And in the tooltip, right here, report. Then similarly in the located places, this one, the tooltip, it should be connected with the drill through page. Drill through page, connected this with the drill through page. And here in the text, write drill through. Now, these all are connected. Just control click to the located place. Here we should need a black button. So just drop a back button here. Control click, go back. Similarly, go to the report page. Add one back button here as well. Just click here, back button. And drop this back button here in the down. Control click. Then go to drill through where we already have the back button. This is how it works. So here we are done with the Netflix. Now you can ask your doubts if you have any doubt from this specific project. Because we are completed this Netflix here. Now share your screenshot on the WhatsApp group. In the second half, the second project will be start. So whatever doubts you have related with this one, let me know. See, these buttons are simply just add the blank button. This is the blank button. Then go to the style, and in the style, turn on the text, write your text, do the formatting, do the fill color. Then I select go to the action, and here I select the page navigation. Page navigation is basically you are moving from one page to another page. You are connecting a page to the other page. So I connected this button with the located places but page. I connected this one with the report page button, and I connected this with the drill through. Now, what is drill through? Drill through is basically if you want to get a detailed table. So I connected my these language, these you can see right now we don't have the detailed things. So to get the detailed, I use the drill through concept, and that's why I connected this drill through with my country, my type, and my language. One more thing, students, if you want to show these things in the focus mode, you can just turn on the focus mode. It can be maximized. Similarly, you want to put the spotlight, you can put the spotlight only to the specific one as well. Date added visual, you see, I see many of you have doubts in this. See, just add the visual and add here directly this date added. Simply done. That's it. Clear path? Sorry. Clear? I will share, Dharya, this file with you. Let me do it right now, okay? And delete this page, we do not need it. Will you be sharing this how to add home button? Home button, just add the image and converted that image into the button using the action, Yuvraj. Path, it's okay. That's completely fine. Yes, but for this, Manish, you need the paid license of Power BI. Today is 16th Feb. I am sharing this file, students, with you right now. Data file you have, and this PBIX file of this Power BI is also shared with you. It is uploading. It is shared, students. You can check it. I hope it's clear.